So this is the story of how we made our custom design AeroPress and how you can do it too. Now, before sharing all the details from the process of making this beauty, let's talk about the history of AeroPress customization. AeroPress was known to have a very puristic take on product customization. For most of its history, there was only one product, the original AeroPress, and one color. That has changed over time, but only due to material changes, not to offer users more options. Still, coffee community is creative and like to personalize their favorite coffee maker, so we started seeing many stickers, bands or drawings on people's AeroPresses. This, for instance, is our AeroPress, well-used AeroPress with AeroPress movie stickers and also Mile High AeroPress club sticker that you can get only if you brewed coffee on the airplane. The first official customized AeroPresses came in gold, silver and bronze color as trophies to the winners of the World AeroPress Championships. Only later we learned that to make this happen, the production line has to stop for a few days to change the material and to make the batch of trophies for the whole season. The next big thing, at least for us, was the Super Unreal Limited edition of AeroPress, created for the World AeroPress Championship Finals in Melbourne in 2018. And here we are getting closer to our project because the organizer of this limited run was Tim Messenger. That was the moment that people realized, wait a minute, I can make my AeroPress look very unique and there is a person that can help me with that. Since then, we start seeing more and more beautiful designs of custom AeroPresses. So we decided to make one too. September 15, 2020 was the day that I sent first message to Tim, of course asking for a price for a custom European coffee trip AeroPress. So I brought it up to our designer, we confirmed all the details and went ahead with limited run of 5 pieces. If you are curious why 5 and who owns them, I will share that at the end of this video. On December 18, 2021, we received a message. All complete, with a photo of 5 beautiful AeroPresses. What Tim also confirmed is that he captured the footage from his workshop, so we can show you not only final design, but also step-by-step process. So the process starts by removing the original branding of genuine AeroPress. The whole surface is cut up, which increases a mechanical bond between paint and the plastic. Then all parts of the brewer that come in contact with coffee or water are masked off to prevent any paint from adhering to these surfaces. Now, the brewer is then cleaned and primed for painting. All designs start with a uniform base coat. For our design, it was a non-transparent white. After a couple of coats, it's left to flash off, then sand it back to a smooth finish. The plunger had a soft pink overlay on top of the white, created with a mix of white base coat and apple red candy. The European Coffee Trip logo is put through software that allows a vinyl stencil to be cut. A positive stencil is used in this case, masking off the white base coat beneath. To achieve the vibrant European Coffee Trip blue, they mixed a special combination of DNA Stratos blue with a dark sapphire blue transparent candy that gave the deeper, almost transparent look. The blue is used to cover the entire brew chamber and create a gradient over the pink on the plunger. For the red highlight on the corner of the brew chamber, first a white foundation is laid, which allows the final red candy to really pop. Once the blue dries sufficiently, the stencil is removed, revealing the original white base coat logo. The brewer is then left to off-gas until it's ready to be clear coated. Okay, and that's it. Our custom AeroPresses were ready to be packed and shipped from Australia to the Czech Republic. Due to COVID and other problems on the way, we waited and waited and waited, but in spring 2022 we were able to unbox them in our studio.
Wow.
What might also surprise you is that we waited to brew with it until making this video. So it was a very special moment indeed. Okay, so that was the first coffee brewed with our custom AeroPress, and it smells really good. Perhaps you are curious why we made 5 pieces and where are they right now. Let me tell you. We gave one to our partners at AeroPress and handed over to Lisa at World of Coffee in Milan. Second went to our designer Lukáš, who created this beautiful design and our overall visual identity. Third went to our friend Radek, who lead the development of our mobile apps at Cookie Lab. We will keep the 4th AeroPress in our office, is the one that we are using today, and the 5th is for you. You can win it. That's perhaps the most special coffee item we ever created. So we will share the details in the video description below, but it's a good idea to have our mobile app. Okay, we hope that you had fun watching the process of making our custom AeroPress, and if you got inspired to make one for yourself, reach out to Tim Messenger, Bike Hike Brew on Instagram, and he will take care of you. Thank you, Tim, again for making this happen for us. We still love it. Thank you and bye-bye.